Here's a little demonstration on how to go about things. So we got this hour-long video. I was able to do it a bit longer, so let's see. Go over here and there's a show transcript option. We'll select the very first and scroll down, shift click and copy. Now let's go over to my file for the text to split, and if I select everything, you'll see that we have the combination of timestamp and the actual text. We'll save that up and go to the application. We'll select the file. My mouse died in the process, but okay. We'll select the file for us to split. So it'll be that one. We'll select the directory to give the output. That's probably about a good amount of max tokens to use. Let's process the file. Alright, we got success. Let's take a look at the summary. Text discusses rise of in-context learning, how it marks the paradigm shift in artificial intelligence. We can now take all of this and play around with it as much as we want. In my case, we can put this back in to chat. Back in there, save and submit for a combine and give a full summary, and there we go, gives me a full summary. And another thing that I've made it do was be able to take in a PDF. And so if we switch over here and go to PDF, and I got a PDF for my income tax. Let's see what happens. I'll select the directory, same place. Let's process the file. Success. And let's take a look. What we have is a payment advice from the H&R Block regarding California taxes. So, somewhat simple. I'm sure there's ways to do it and online, and I have seen two people come up with tools, but within under an hour, I've been able to do this multi-threading app. And it's actually kind of useful because sometimes I don't really want to watch that whole video, and breaking things down into manageable prompts has been kind of a pain in the ass. So there's a local solution. All right. Let me know if you want it.